I chose the Springfield College Physician Assistant program because of how well accredited it was, how highly people speak of it, and generally how awesome the professors were after meeting them.
I chose the PA program at Springfield College because of our humanics philosophy of spirit, mind, and body. This makes us stand out in comparison with other PA programs because it allows us to gain better perspective of our patients, gives us more like holistic views.
What I love most about the new building has to be the sim lab, as well as the nice little cute study spaces that I have here as a grad student, but mostly the sim lab just allowing us to get out the kinks of stuff that we might have in the real world when I see a patient.
I remember walking through the sim lab area when this building first opened for tours, and I was blown away by the outstanding technology, the new clean exam rooms, and how realistic it is compared to a regular medical setting.
We have some of the best faculty here at Springfield College, and part of the reason why I'm in the PA program is because of the faculty there. They are incredible.
I get to grow and develop a close relationship with my mentors as well as my academic advisor.
And I feel as though we all kind of get each other through it. It's not a competition. It's all of us going together to be PAs, and we all encourage each other and help each other throughout the program.
That it's a great program. You should definitely pursue it. You know, the PA profession is it's ever growing. You know, it's not going to stop anytime soon.
My time here at Springfield College will definitely impact the future for the rest of my life. Just specifically the friends I've made here, the career I've chosen. Part of the reason why I'm in the PA program is just from coming to Springfield College as a whole. The connections I've made with my professors and my friends. I'll have colleagues in the physician assistant world for the rest of my life.